MCom second year students. Now we shall see managerial behavior and effectiveness. The subject code of this paper is KDA BD. Now we shall see the Madras University question papers, previous question paper, April 2016. Section A. The first question is define job behavior. Second one, write the equation for effective time management. And third one, what do you mean by incentives? Fourth one, what is scouting? And fifth one, what is task orientation? And sixth one, what is a product? And seventh one, what is power? Eighth one, what do you mean by laissez-faire style? And ninth one, what is concentration? And 10th question, what is knowledge management? And 11th one, what is explicit knowledge? And finally in section A, what is coercive power? And part B, the 13th one, what is organization climate? What are the types of organization climate? And 14th one, what is creativity? Write the interconnected stages of creative processes. And 15th one, explain the applications of managerial effectiveness. And 6th one, distinguish between managerial career planning and organization career planning. And 17th one, how to improve decision making. And 18th, what are the role of manager regarding decision making. And the last one in part B, what are the sources of recruitment? And the last part of this question paper, part C, the 20th question, describe the techniques used for job evaluation. And the 21, how the leader's power influenced. Write the important sources of power of the leaders. And 22nd, explain the process of motivation and the types of motivation. And 23rd, what are the business strategies related to knowledge management? And the last one, 24, who is a knowledge worker? Write the personally and professional attitudes of knowledge worker. And the last question, explain the approaches of personal effectiveness. Thank you.